Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to build dashboards in Smartsheet. Ladies and gentlemen, in Smartsheet on the left hand side, if you come down to create, we're going to click on this. It'll open up this new page and it'll give you the opportunity to create a whole bunch of different stuff. You're going to scroll down here and it says choose a new workspace starting point. Let's come over here to dashboard. Now once you click on dashboard, this will allow you to create a way of presenting data in your own way. Over here you can see it's a new workspace. We can see workspace items, and then we've got our dashboard name, and here we can click on get started. Now this is very simple. This grid basically is a blank canvas for you to create whatever you want to create. So let's say you'd like to add a title to your dashboard. Let's say we want to call it dashboard 1. So let's click in over here, and so we are going to say dashboard 1. Here you can see it says widget behavior. So when someone clicks on this widget, it opens maybe another site, it opens a Smartsheet item, or you can just say that there's no action required. That's fine. Let's close this. And now you can see we've got our title. Now, of course, you can move this around anywhere you'd like. You can resize it. It will snap to the grid, and then you can edit, delete, cut, or even copy paste that. Here you can change your dashboard theme. So let's say we want a theme like this or like that or like that. And then you can change the widget settings. So if you click on it, you'll be able to edit those settings again. Now the plus icon, of course, will allow you to add more widgets in over here. So let's add in a report. It'll ask you to add the actual report, so your data source that you would like. So let's go ahead and let's select a data source here. So we're going to use this data source. And then you can also add a maximum number of rows to display, and the report and formatting has its own set of settings over here so that you can change them. Again, you're going to go and add in another item. We can add in a chart over here. We can change the parameters of the chart. Let's say we want to add in an image there, and let's say we want to add in some metrics. All right, now we can go ahead by actually changing the size and the way this is displayed. So over here, if we want to put the center, it'll show us a guidance line there. That's now center. You can put this right over here. And quite frankly, this is probably the easiest way to make dashboards. Every single item or widget that you would like to edit, all you have to do is go ahead, click on the 3 dots, click on edit, and it'll bring up all of these properties.